What's up, people? I hope you all are doing good, and welcome to my new vlog. I recorded this vlog last week when me and my friend Nayan decided to run from Dehradun to Mussoorie. Yes, you heard it right. We ran till Mussoorie. By the way, this cute little German Shepherd is called Misty. Nayan's brother Pratish accompanied us on his bicycle, also carried our hydration and water bottles. We started from Malsi in Dehradun at around 6 am. It was sunny and the skies were pretty clear when we started. The stretch from DIT University to Kuthal Gate is one of the toughest climb in whole Dehradun. Nayan didn't seem to have any problem running up a hill with 16% gradient while I was down to power hiking mode.
Come on. Yeah, almost there.
The Mussoorie highway, which usually has a lot of traffic, was pretty empty. A lot of other people were cycling up as well, taking advantage of this situation.
दो नेक्स्ट सीन नीचे पड़ाओ
ऐसे भी होगा साइड से
शेक दैट
Me and Nayan were having fun running uphill and he was making me go faster than my usual pace by saying motivating words.
चल लॉन्डे लंबा कदम खींच
It was Pratish's second time for an uphill ride. He got a bit exhausted and dehydrated at around kilometer 8. After having some electrolytes and a 5-minute break, we again started moving. By this time, we had already gained a bit of elevation and views from above were just awesome. The day was clear and sunny when we started, but at the midway we could see the clouds moving in. We were lucky to have such a nice weather in a summer month.
Look behind me. Like really awesome view of Mussoorie behind me. And I think I covered with clouds for now. Amazing. Feels so good to be running here.
Cycling uphill seems easy but is actually harder than running or walking. Pratish and I decided to walk the last 2 kilometers because we were pretty tired, and Nayan took off on the bicycle.
So Mussoorie is just 2 kilometers away now, and we are tired as fuck. We have gained almost like 1,000 meter of elevation gain. Yeah. So I decided to walk the last 2 because I have been out of practice, man.
We are feeling absolutely nothing. Our mind are
Numb हो गया सब कुछ.
Numb, सब
Everything has gone numb. और मज़ा बहुत आया. We had a lot of fun.
कुछ भी नहीं सोच रहा हूँ, बता. I am thinking absolutely nothing.
The whole route was super challenging as elevation sharply increases in a very short distance. So we had to set mental targets like we'll run for 2k and then walk for 2 minutes. And it came down to we will run till the next turn, and then to the next lamppost, and then to just one more step. And that one more step is all you need. You just have to keep moving and you'll reach your destination. So, in around 3 hours and 40 minutes, we finally reached Mussoorie, the Queen of Hills. After that, we had coffee, pizza, and pancakes at a really nice cafe since we were starving like anything. We were pretty exhausted, but really happy at the same time. Maybe that's what we were looking for out of this run. Seeking comfort in discomfort. So guys, if you like this video, do like and subscribe. And let me know your thoughts about this vlog in the comments below. You can also follow me on Strava and Instagram for regular updates on running and cycling. See you soon. Bye bye.